Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by switching the firmware to UEFI and preparing a recovery USB. This protects your install if something goes wrong. Enter Asus BIOS with F2 or delete, then set boot to UEFI and disable legacy/CSM. This is required for Secure Boot to function. Make sure you note the SATA mode, ASI or RAID, because changing it later can break Windows. If needed, create a system restore point and the recovery USB now, then save and reboot into BIOS. You must set a supervisor password before Secure Boot options unlock. Do that first, then reboot to return to the Secure Boot menu. Change OS type to Windows UEFI mode and enable Secure Boot. This enrolls Microsoft keys needed by Riot Vanguard. If the Secure Boot toggle is grayed out, disable CSM and verify all drives are visible in UEFI mode, then reopen Secure Boot and enable it. Once enabled, clear the admin password only if you prefer, but leave changes saved. After enabling Secure Boot, save and reboot into Windows and confirm with msinfo32. Secure Boot should read on. This is the condition Vanguard requires. If Valorant still refuses to launch, uninstall and reinstall Riot Vanguard so it re-registers with the new firmware state, then run Valorant as administrator. If something breaks, the key troubleshooting step is to restore BIOS defaults, reconfigure UEFI, and Secure Boot the same way. Then use your recovery USB to repair Windows if it won't boot. This resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.